Okay guys, here's episode 2 of the N7 Dead Space rig suit make. So what I've got so far here is I've been dremeling all the side parts to the armour itself. If I show you here on my computer, if you can see, I'll just point to it. I'm no good at editing this stuff. This is the part here that I have made here and here. Up the top I have just drawn out my next steps on where I'm going to dremel. Not this part here, because that was my rough sketch earlier. I had to make it bigger for myself because I've got a big chest, so I've had to take it out a little bit, as you can see. So where I'm up to now is I've started dremeling the edges here, and I'll just show you how I do that. Basically, once you've got the Dremel on, I usually get quite close, but you just slowly take away the edges on the top. And you do it in a motion where your hand is on the board itself, or on the foam, and it's kind of like a compass, I guess, that's what they call. And that's how you get the nice curve. And with these parts down here, you have to just do it a lot of times, dremel the line a lot of times, so it keeps it nice and straight, so you don't end up with big bumps, I suppose, in it. So anyway, the next step on this armour, basically this part here and up, is, if I zoom in, sorry, let me zoom in on the computer, eh? That'd probably work better. Oh, here we go. So there's this part here, and I've drawn it out and I've already cut it. I'm sorry I didn't record me cutting that, but that's that part there. So how this is going to take shape is basically this black part there. Man, I wish I had better English for this, but I don't even know what that's called. It's basically going to be, here we go, similar to that. What I'm going to do after, once I've done this part, is I'm going to take the other side of the foam, and I'm going to use it for the chest plate there, I guess you would call it, and the abdominal plate, and the strip across the abdominals, and that's this part of the foam here. Nice texture. Looks good, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Right, so I'm going to continue to dremel this. Sorry, I'm no good at making videos. I probably will get better in time, but at least I've had a chance to explain the process. I've got my lines across here. These are basically reference lines I drew earlier on the foam itself with my trusty measuring tape. And basically, when I draw these lines, because you got to be pretty accurate. I took a measurement between here and the line, and I put a dot basically here, and I drew down through the line, and same as this side. So now I've got a 6.4 centimeter reference from here to here, and then the line comes down and goes past, and same over here, 6.4 centimeter reference. The line comes down past, and I've done the same for this one here. I took basically the centimeter reference between here and there, and there and there, and basically drew it on either side and came down. So it's probably maybe a mill out or two, but she's starting to look pretty good now. So I don't know if you can see me, but thank you for looking into my new installment of the Dead Space armour. Like I said, I'm no good with videos, and thank you for bearing with me. I'll update you guys also next week when hopefully I start on the back plate and also the chest plate that goes on the foam armour itself. So thanks very much.